Namaskar, Bridge Course, Standard 7th Maths, Day 34. Today we are seeing profit and loss. First, meaning and formula. You note that people do various kinds of jobs to earn money. Sometimes they have gained a money or sometimes damage a money. First, we see a profit. If the selling price is more than cost price, there is a gain. Is called a profit. म्हणजे व्यवहारात जेव्हा विक्री किंमत ही खरेदी किमतीपेक्षा जास्त असते तेव्हा प्रॉफिट होतो. सो प्रॉफिट फॉर्म्युला इज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल सेलिंग प्राइस मायनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. प्रॉफिट फॉर्म्युला इज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल सेलिंग प्राइस मायनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. Second, loss. If the selling price is less than cost price, there is a damage, is called a loss. म्हणजेच जेव्हा विक्री किंमत ही खरेदी किमतीपेक्षा कमी असते तेव्हा नुकसान होते, त्यालाच लॉस म्हणतात. लॉस इज इक्वल कॉस्ट प्राइस मायनस सेलिंग प्राइस. लॉस इज इक्वल कॉस्ट प्राइस मायनस सेलिंग प्राइस. वी यूज these two formulas to solve the examples. Let's practice. First example. Rambhav bought 500 kilogram rice for rupees 22,000 and sold all rice at rate rupees 48 per kilogram. How much was his profit? Rambhav bought 500 kilogram rice and for rupees 22,000. That means 500 kilogram rice all can bought 22,000. Here we can give the cost price of 500 kilogram rice is 22,000 rupees. But we cannot give a selling price of 5,000 kilogram rice. We can give only 1 kilogram rice selling price. Therefore, 1 kilogram rice selling price is equal 48 rupees. Now we can find 500 kilogram rice selling price is equal, what can we do? We can find the value of 500 kilogram rice by multiplying 48. We can do multiplication. Here I can write first two zeros and multiply by 5. 5 8s are 40, remaining 0, number carried 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24. That means total selling price is equal 24,000 and total cost price is 22,000. Here selling price is bigger than cost price. Selling price is bigger or greater than cost price. So there is a profit and we can find the profit by using the formula of profit. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price 24,000 minus 22,000. The answer of subtraction is 2,000. Therefore, in this transaction, profit is 2,000 rupees. We can write a word answer. His profit is rupees 2,000. His profit is 2,000. See here, how can we solve the example? First, we can give information. The cost price of 500 kilogram rice is 22,000. 1 kilogram rice selling price is 48 rupees. So we find 500 kilogram rice selling price by multiplication. Answer become 24,000. Here selling price is greater than cost price. There is a profit. We use profit formula. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Then we can write a value of each price and subtract. We get a profit 2,000. Solve. Example first. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for rupees 3000 and sold the same for rupees 3400. How much was his profit? We can given a cost price. Cost price is equal 3000 rupees and selling price is given 3400 rupees. Here selling price is greater than cost price, therefore there is a profit, and we use profit formula. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. The selling price of bicycle is 3400 minus the cost price of bicycle is 3000. Answer of subtraction is 3400 minus 3000 is equal 400. Therefore, profit of this is 400 rupees. We write a word answer. A shopkeeper was profit of rupees 400. Second example, the Sunandabai bought milk for rupees 475. She converted it into yogurt and sold it for rupees 700. How much profit did she make? First, Sunandabai bought a milk for rupees 475. That means cost price of milk is 475 rupees, but it converted into yogurt and sold it. That means selling price of yogurt is 700 rupees. Selling price is greater than cost price, so there is profit. We use a profit formula. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 700 rupees minus cost price is 475. Here we can subtract 700 minus 475. The answer become, we can do here subtraction. 0 minus means 10 minus 5, 5. Number borrowed. 0 minus means 10 minus 8, 2. Number borrowed. 7 minus 5, 2. 225. Therefore, profit is equal 225 rupees. We write the word answer. She make a profit of rupees 225. We can solve example 3. The Jijamata Women's Saving Group bought raw materials worth rupees 15,000 for making chaklis. They sold the chaklis for 22,050 rupees. How much profit did she saving group make? Jijamata Women's Group, they can bought a raw material. That means cost price of raw material is 15,000 rupees. They can make a chaklis and sold. The selling price of chaklis is 22,050 rupees. Selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, there is a profit. We can find a profit. We use formula of profit. Profit is equal selling price minus cost price. We can write here value of selling price 22,050 minus cost price 15,000. We can subtract. Here we can subtract 22,050 minus 15,000. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 5, not possible. 2 means 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Number borrowed, 2 minus 2, 0. Answer is 750. Therefore, in this example, profit is 7050 rupees. We write a word answer. The saving group make 7050 rupees profit. In this way, we can find a profit with the help of formula. Thank you.